Mantine, Dottler, Reverse Pokekid. Hey guys, welcome back to the kingdom. If you haven't seen me before, I'm Ricky. I hope you're all staying safe and well. And today, I've got 10 packs of Sword and Shield for myself. My wife's got 2 more packs I'm going to open for her as well. So, before we get into it, if you like the video, please drop a like, think about subscribing, and please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos. So the first packs I'm going to open are my wife's. Hopefully she has better pulls than yesterday. And the Snorlax VMAX. That'd be a nice card to get. There's a code card for you guys. 4, 2. Let's see. Got 10 packs for myself in a bit. There we go. Silicobra, Yampa, Grookey, Cufant, Boltoy, Fighting Energy, Wacky, Pokemon Catcher, Drizzle, Reverse Grookey, and the rare is Dreadnought. Not too bad. I know she needs Dreadnought. So we've got Lapras VMAX. Another nice card to pull. Once again, code card for you guys. I do have a code card video coming up, which I've already filmed, but these cards came and it's much funner opening some cards. Here we go. Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Encino, Chinchou, Krogunk, Fire Energy, Heatmore, Metal Saucer, Quick Ball, Reverse Boltoy, and the rare is Turtonator. So again, no holo rares, but I believe she does need Turtonator as well, so at least she's got 2 cards she needs. So my 10 packs. Yeah, once again, I hope everyone's staying safe right this time. I know it's a hard time for everyone. We'll get through it. Hopefully I can entertain you enough. Have you staying in your house? There's a lot of other people to watch as well. Okay, code card. 4, 2. Let's see what I get. Yampa, Groupie, Clobbopus, Wooloo, Sobble, Water Energy, Papad, Kingler, Rhydon, sorry, First Switch, and a Galarian Rapidash. And next one. Get the code card. Hope you're all pulling something good with these code cards. Let me know if you are. Please, if you are getting them, make sure you are giving enough for everyone. Okay, Drizzle, Evolution Incense, Salazzle, Reverse Grookey, and rare is Noctowl, which surprisingly I haven't got yet. Okay, to the next pack. Go. Let's have some luck. I haven't seen any holos for a while from these packs. There's a lot of holos we still need. Most of the secret rares, all the secret rares, all the full arts. We ain't even got one of them yet. First Hitmonchan, and the rare is Raichu. Very nice. Raichu is one of my favourite Pokemon, I think, lately, along with Mimikyu, Snorlax. Code card. I think I just gave away. Did I give away rare? Almost did. Alright. Scorbunny. Sinister. Oh, Sinistea, sorry. Maractus. Pikachu. Galarian Meowth. Lightning Energy. Quick Ball. Mantine. Dottler. The first Pokekid. And there is Gold quick pull. We pulled gold. Yes. It's my first gold card I've ever got. Oh, I can't believe it. I'm so happy with that. I can see up there. Oh, yes. Oh, finally got a gold card. Hope whoever's getting these code cards get a gold online. Here we go, next code card. Come on, let's pull some more. Let's keep the luck going. Let's get some full arts in this one. Pincushion. Say that Pincushion or Pincushion? I'm just going to say Pincushion. Blipbug. Rhyhorn. Minzino. Chinchou. Psychic Energy. Big Charm. Wacky. Pokegear 3.0. Reverse Toxicroak. And the rare is Orbeetle. Still not too bad. Still happy with this. If I got one full art, I'll be happy. Oh, I think I saw something in this one. 4, 2. Let's see what we got. Boltoy, Wooloo, Joltik. I'm shaking getting that gold card. Too excited about it. Roar Energy, Paraform, Crushing Hammer, Reverse Drapion, and the rare is Dhelmise. Full art. Lovely. Oh, 2 great pulls there. Super happy about that. I know some of these reverse rares also ones that I need as well. So, getting quite a few pulls I haven't got yet. Okay, next one. Look how beautiful that gold card is. Alright, everyone now is starting to open up the new packs. I can't even remember what the name of it. What's the name of them? Hopefully I'll manage to get some soon. Bug, Goldeen, Grass Energy, Rhydon, Eldegoss, Evolution, Reverse Mawile, and the rare is Hollow Cinderace. Very nice. I love these hollow rares in this set. Reminds me a bit of the old Wizards of the Coast days where all the hollows were a bit more interesting, had a bit of texture to them. Of course, everyone after those swells in their art. Okay, right, third from last pack. Goldeen, Diglett, Skorupi, Hoot Hoot, Fire Energy. Well, let's get a fire pull from this. Corvisquire. I haven't got Corviknight yet, which, as my channel is Corviknight Kingdom, I'd love a Corviknight at least. Galarian Ponyta and a Clado. Okay, 2 packs to go. Let's go with Snorlax. Let's hope. Right, I've got the Snorlax VMAX. I haven't got the full art. I haven't even got the normal rare or Snorlax V yet, so I wouldn't mind one of them. Oh, the code card. Put that over there. 4, 2. Okay, let's see what we get. Krogunk, Galarian Meowth, Scorbunny, Sinistea, Aractus, Fighting Energy, Roar Energy, Paraform, Crushing Hammer, Reverse Boltoy, and the rare is Rhyperior. Very nice. I love the colours in that. Okay, one more pack to go. I haven't got this guy yet. My wife has, so hopefully I can fill him in this pack. She doesn't want to open. Alright, put that down there. Code card for you guys, last one. Good luck with that if you get it. Okay, let's go for a last pack. Big pull on this one. There we go. Ghastly, licking the stairs. What are you doing? Rookity, Sizzlipede, Snoom, so cute. Mawile, Metal Energy, Kingler. I almost forgot how to say Metal Energy then. That would be embarrassing. Thwacky, and the last rare is Stonjourner of Fee. Great way to end. Right, guys, if you enjoyed that, please drop a like, and I'll have some more videos for you soon. See ya, bye.